Planting broccoli is a rewarding endeavor that can provide you with a bountiful harvest of nutritious greens. Here's a step-by-step guide from planting to harvesting. Planting broccoli. Choose the right time. Broccoli is a cool season crop, so it's best to plant it in early spring for a spring harvest or in late summer for a fall harvest. Avoid planting during the hottest part of the summer. Select a sunny location. Choose a planting site that receives full sun for at least 6–8 hours per day. Broccoli prefers well-draining soil with a pH of 6.0 to 7.0. Prepare the soil. Amend the soil with compost or well-rotted manure to improve its fertility and drainage. Work the amendments into the soil to a depth of 6–8 inches. Start seeds indoors optional. If you want an early start, you can start broccoli seeds indoors 6–8 weeks before the last expected frost date in your area. Plant the seeds in seed trays or pots filled with potting mix and keep them moist until they germinate. Direct sowing. Alternatively, you can sow broccoli seeds directly into the garden soil. Plant the seeds to inch deep and space them 18–24 inches apart in rows that are 24–36 inches apart. Watering. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged, especially during the germination period. Once the seedlings are established, water deeply 1 to 2 times per week, depending on weather conditions. Fertilizing. Side dress the broccoli plants with a balanced fertilizer or compost when they are about 3–4 weeks old. Repeat the application every 3–4 weeks throughout the growing season.